Hello, our wonderful subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel and your amazing channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear viewers, this is our YouTube channel, and we hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. And friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today, with a new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of satin silk tops and blouses for working women. My dear friends, these tops, blouses, designs and colors are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. And these designs are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So my dear friends, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, there is a small red button. Yes, you got it right. The very subscribe button is always there for you to click, and if you are my subscriber, then I am expecting a like or comment from you. So my dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of silk blouses and tops for lovely women, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more update of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends and my lovely viewers, this is our YouTube channel, and we hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Friends, I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer any of your query as soon as possible. Friends, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Love you all.